Hey Doodles, Lady Key here. No, it's been a bit, but I've got my Fan Art Friday going on. Doing a Little Nightmares 3 because of the announcement. I've been a fan of it ever since the first one that I got for my birthday. Just the pure aesthetics of the game is beautiful and magnificent. And I'm really excited to see what these two little figures, how they're going to develop as their adventures go on. I really like working on this one. I don't typically do two figures in a picture, but they really help to kind of balance each other out. I love the little makeshift tools. I like his little mask, it's really cool too. I tried to kind of muddy up a little bit of the colors because it was a little too, not expressive, but I say a little too bright for the subject at hand. So after I did a little bit of detailing, I kind of muddied it up a little bit and kind of cut it out like that. Just to kind of show a contrast between, like, there's some light going on the left hand side that is a little bit different from the reference material that I was using. Kind of giving my own little flair. You always want to do a little bit of contrast work just to make sure that your figures pop so they can read really well. Like right here, I had to make things a little bit darker because things were a little too muddled. Once I started adding like the highlighting details and kind of a little bit of a glow to kind of show that their hope, made it really nice. That's about it. Later.